Hey guys, it's Mr. Kate again, and this is the second assignment that was due for today, and it was to include your bio syllabus on page 3. I originally made a mistake and put it in your instructions to put it on page 2, but as you can see over here, page 1 was your cover, page 2 was your tab, and page 3 is where it should be. So I did go back and uh, re-edit that, and it's now correct in your Google Drive or your Google Classroom. For this, you're going to go to your Google Classroom. You're going to snag this, copy it from your assignment. So right-click, copy. You go to the blank page here, and then copy this in. So you go to your uh, Google Classroom, copy it, and you can see over here you got if you right click it, you can paste it. You'd hit paste and it would put a copy in. Okay. uh, Before you take a screenshot of this and send it back to me, you need to do two things. First, if you zoom in, so right now I've got it at 50%. If I go to 100% and scroll down, not that part. Yep. If I scroll down here, you need to include your name. And you just type in your name here, first and last name, and which period you're in, whether it's, again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Include that. Best thing to do is go up here where it says fit. So 50%, you're not going to get it all in. You might. Yeah, 50% probably get, yeah, that gets it all in. So you can either do 50% up here, or you could say fit, either way. You're going to screen capture just this part. I don't need all of this. Okay, so screen capture that, take a picture of it. Again, go back to your Google Classroom, your assignments for biology course syllabus. Click on turn it in, upload the picture there, and you're done. You got it. Okay, hopefully that was helpful, and if not, catch me at my office hours after school.